babies.
All right, today we're gonna be working on page numbers in InDesign. So you got your magazine layout and you realize that you wanna put page numbers on it. What you're gonna do is go to your pages panel, go to your master page, grab your text box, bam, go to type, insert special character, markers, and current page. It's gonna give you an A. That A symbolizes every page that has an A over here. So I like for my text to be on the right hand side. So I'm gonna move it over to the right hand side. And I also like for my page numbers to be a little bit under the margin, right? So bam, these are my left hand side pages over here. I'm gonna duplicate that for my right hand side pages, hold Option or Alt, throw it over there, go back to my pages, and you'll see all my pages have been numbered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it keeps going. Hope you guys learned something today. See you next time. Peace.